What's up, everybody? Texas King Pig here again. We're back in the wasteland with Cryptic, Cynic, and Mark the Bushman, Bushey.
That's right, quick run through. Eredish, Harold, Harry, Killian, Darkwater, Lieutenant, Master, Seg, Trandai, Centaur, Coyote, Floater, Ghoul, Mantis, Mole Rat, Rat, Scorpion, Super, Mutant. Never say I didn't know!
And as you can see, we have our expert on Fallout here with us. He knows about every type of character. Was that the readout?
Yeah, it was characters and creatures.
Characters and creatures. Fallout. To check out this new Fallout crate from Loot Gaming and Bethesda. Is that a Loot crate or just Loot Gaming something? Okay, this is Loot crate. I forget from month to month.
Yeah, I guess it is a Loot Gaming separate from Loot Crate. Still.
Yeah, they probably wouldn't like me calling it a Loot crate. They'd be like, you're plugging the wrong guy. He's going into business for himself. Alright, so let's check out what we got here.
Okay. Man. A terminal phone stand.
Oh, that's awesome.
That is pretty awesome.
Those dang terminals. Sometimes I get fed up with those. I'm just like, getting locked out.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
It's hard to get around them.
Yeah. Sure is.
Oh, there it is.
Nice. Oh, it's
So what's inside the box?
It's the spoiler.
Yeah, don't look at that.
The map.
This one's a map. What is that? 76?
Yeah. Okay, so here's the map for Fallout 76.
Nice.
You're still pretty heavy into.
Yeah, I'm getting into there.
Yeah.
I've got a pretty nice suit, power armor.
Nice.
Yeah, it's good. We got a broadsider replica.
Nice. You ever use that?
No. Haven't found one of those yet, actually. There's like a cannon.
Where's,
thing.
no one brought it up, where's Bolting Greens on the map?
Could you give us the region?
No.
It doesn't
I mean-
have the latitude and longitude on your website.
No, I don't. What do you mean the website? I don't run a website.
Oh.
I mean, you can't find that. Maybe just find, like, I don't know. I know a couple more, like Flatwoods and Morgantown. Maybe some Huntersville.
That's the wrong game, fool.
No, it's not. I know my game. That's definitely 76.
He's like scrolling back up to the title.
Verify.
Yeah. Confirm.
The next Build-A-Figure part.
Nice.
Another leg for the, what was it? Liberty Prime, I think is what they're building.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it's pretty funny.
Oh, man. We were talking about these just recently.
Oh, some fuzzy dice. Yes.
Cats.
Dude, Atom Cats. That's what I was saying. Hell yeah. The Atom Cats are like one of the coolest.
Wait, they got numbers on there?
Yeah, it's got numbers.
They're
So
dice.
you're telling me you're not about to roll that and see who gets the higher number?
Well, but they're connected.
Well, just, okay.
Do you have a dice simulator on your computer?
Yeah.
All your subscribers want to see that.
Yeah. We lost him.
And see who gets the higher number.
That's right.
That's what's interesting. All right.
Who's the better man?
That's what the higher number means?
Yeah, dude. Of course it does. Don't you ever roll dice?
So does the Atom Cats stand for the best or the number one?
Well, obviously it stands for... No, you get 0 if you get that.
You get 0. So there is no 1, 2 through
Tough to
6.
juggle.
Yeah.
Burp, I'm gonna need you to blow on these.
Gosh.
Okay.
So is that 0 and 3?
It's 0 and 3.
Okay. Now I'll
Beat a
roll.
3.
You want me to blow?
Sure, blow. A lucky lady. Oh, 7. It's because he blew harder.
Yeah. And last we got a pin.
Ooh, golden. Oh, it's like the speak.
Yeah, like
Speech and charisma.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What do you know about that?
I like that one.
All right, nice.
That's it.
That's it from the box.
Yeah.
Awesome.
What the hell?
Yep, it's just the replica, the phone stand, the pin, the dice.
You sure there's nothing else in that box?
That's it. I got a bag for the dice.
Well, there you go. You didn't show that.
So that's it. But you also picked up something else, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Right here.
It's awesome. Whoa! Excuse me.
Watch your face.
I'm gonna have to get out this one so I don't feel so intimidated.
You got a permit for that one?
Yeah, concealed.
Yeah, but does yours glow?
No, but it's still cool because a friend made it.
Nice. Yeah, I got this guy from GameStop.
Nice. It's awesome that glows. Nice. Well, we did assemble it before, and just like we thought, it took a while. So we're not gonna. We didn't want to put it through the box, but we filmed it anyway. Hopefully, you see a sped up version. Of it.
It's not sped up. They did it that quick.
Yeah, that's really awesome, and that's a great addition to the arsenal for other ones like these and our Lancers and stuff like that up here. So, oh yeah.
Yeah.
So, cool. Well, anything else?
You're asking me.
I was. All right, I guess that's it.
We're not. It was developed by Bethesda Game Studios, man. Fallout 76.
All right, thanks,
I was
Bethesda.
the director.
Thanks,
Emilio Pagliario is the designer. Alright?
Pagliario and Bethesda, thank you so much. For
Players
making-
may play individually up to a party of 3 or more.
Thanks for the awesome product, and we'll see you all next time. I'm Texas King Fig, that's Cryptic Cynic, that's Mark the Bushman, Bushey, and the Burp.
Mark the Fact Man. Bushey.
The Fact Man.
I like that. The fact mate.
You got the facts, man?
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, put some do you know facts on there? That's a good thing for editing.
Yeah.
Solid win. There we go.
Mark's Wiki Facts.
Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Like if you did, and subscribe, and comment for us, and tell us if you like the gun or if you think it was worth it.
It's the best item in this box.
The
How about if you want more
dice,
facts?
in my opinion, the fuzzy dice, especially since they're Atom Cats, it's a must-have.
Yeah.
You're already saying that.
We got some old school cars, so fuzzy dice kind of goes good.
Yeah, for sure. I'm only saying that why?
Because you got the higher roll. No, you don't even start. Try to rub it in.
You shouldn't have blown so hard if you didn't want me to win.
Sorry.
All right. That's it for us, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.